Hi guys, Piotr here. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's time for Forex market update. Very interesting week ahead. Plenty of data coming in. Starts Tuesday. So we are going to go through the calendar, upcoming events as well as few FX charts. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so when it comes to the calendar, very interesting things going on Tuesday with CPI out of the Canada, as well as durable goods orders, plus consumer confidence, plus new home sales when it comes to the US. On Wednesday, we are going to get the Powell speech, and we are going to get the things related to Fed bank stress test results. Right, on Thursday we are going to still have a Powell as well as US GDP. In that case, well, the things are going to be very interesting. It's worth to mention that within the Europe we are going to get some CPI numbers as well. And finally, Friday we are going to get the most important from the eventually Fed pivot perspective data. It's going to be the core PCI with personal income and spending, as well as Chicago PMI. Alright, so right now let's jump straight and check few charts. When it comes to the charts, let's start with euro-dollar. There is no big changes coming in. We discussed previously that there is a possibility that we are going to see some kind of the bearish price action around 110, and as you can see, it really has happened on Thursday. So as of now, looks like market may want to play out this 110 supply zone, and we are tested on Friday, and probably within the next few days we are going to retest this important zone discussed previously, based on this breakout bottom candle over here. When it comes to the particular levels, we are talking about the levels in between 108, 20, 530. So as of now, trying to fade rallies towards 110, trying to be active around 108-ish level, but as I mentioned, calendar is very busy from the intraday perspective. You may want to look for the levels related to the zone when it comes to this big breakdown candle over here, and in that case in that case we are talking about the levels a little bit above 109 towards 109.20, and the level is related from the intraday perspective into that breakout candle. So we have very important supply level down towards the Friday low as a first possible support, and 108 discussed a second ago. So that's how I see the things related to the euro dollar. Let's have a look what we have with cable. Of course, just a reminder, here we go. So that's the supply, and as long as we are above some previous resistance, looks like we might want to create some bull flag, and market may want to try to jump higher. To be honest with you, the thing is that I've expected a little bit bigger price action after the Bank of England rate decision, but anyway, no change in view as long as we are above 26.40, 26.25, 20. The higher levels up towards 129.90, 130 still could be in place. So again, trying to watch carefully what is going on with the possible flag targeting 129.90. The things might change and will change with the market going back below 126, and then we might see a little bit more active the bearish side. So I'm looking to buy from the intraday perspective on a deeper pullback down towards 126.40, 26, and that's what we were discussing previously over here. And the last one is a dollar yen. Let's switch to the dollar yen. Here is following what we previously discussed, that if we are going to break through some important levels, immediately we might retest 140, 190 and 144, and that's what has happened. Now, well, I can imagine that the Bank of Japan, it might be a little bit of the busy right now, but still, in case of a pullback, I see the level related to 142 as first intraday possible buying opportunity, and then in case of the failure, the previous broken resistance around 140 psychological level might be the buying opportunity. I would be very, very careful when it comes to the short side, but well, if we are going to see another rejection around 144, I'm talking about the levels over here, okay, with some kind of the upper shadow and close below the important level, that might be some kind of the setup. Market may want to look for stops from intraday perspective right here below 140 and we might see retest of 142, eventually psychological 140 level. But as of now, trying to buy the dips is the name of the game, and alternatively some kind of the rejection might be used as opportunity to try to short it, but only from intraday perspective. With that being said, guys, please do your own research, do your own homework, make hundreds of examples before risking the real money, and wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care and goodbye.